That information is not available.
Rack, what are your limits?
They have not yet been defined. My knowledge is virtually infinite. My secondary ability is to logically process that knowledge and make act. That is better. Our relationship will be best served if your statements are free of ambiguity.
I am checking. Kindly wait.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error.
I have the information you require.
How do you do? Morning, morning, morning. How do you get? How are you all? We'll just kind of carry on with this. Finish the back off and do the lid, and hopefully we'll be able to start printing it. Okay. Let's get on with it then. There we go. Right, I've got some weird noise going on there. Strange people who occupy these radios sit there creating noise. There he is again. Right. So yesterday we did the back and mounted the PCB and the controller. So we've got a button. So we've got this item here. I think I'll change the colour. I'm not a fan. Can I change the whole colour without? No. Probably not. Let's just see. Can I change the whole colour of it? Colours. No. Alright, let's try again. Alright, so it's not quite dark enough. Is that too dark? No, it's okay, isn't it? Let's go a little bit lighter because we can't see it ourselves. So yeah, I should have just done this in the first place really. What I'll do is I'll just do I won't do it all. And I end up doing it all anyway. Well, I'll probably do it all later on. Just do the main parts. Don't know why I chose that synthetic one. I'm still doing more. Why am I still doing more? Oops. Right. Yeah, I'll just leave certain bits. Let's try and keep this quick. Let's try and keep it quick because we've got a lot of things to do. Let's just change the main bits on view. Yeah, that'll do, I think. Yeah. That'll do us, right, okay. Yeah. Ooh, there's a bit there. There's always more. Yeah, that'll do. Right, that's fine. Yeah. Okay. So what we need to do now, we need to be able to screw the top lid. We've got to slide the lid on at the top. And then it's got to cover the sides. Now I don't want to slide it on all the way, just it has to clip the top on and rotate the thing down. So we need to make it in 2 bits. So that is its own 1 bit. So then we can, let's make a square. Now it'd be nice to have these corners rounded. And that'll also add its own strength, but it'll be rounded corners rather than just a square box. It just makes it easier to make it if it's rounded. So let's go rounded. There's quite a distance between the top of there and the, oh, let's put the other bits back on, the PCB and the top cover, so we get an idea. Yeah, so we can come a little bit. So let's just go like this. Just guesstimate, say 7.5. Or we could just go with that. I'll tell you what, we'll do a different way. That's not going to do it, is it? Tell you what we'll do. We'll do sort of like this. We'll go up from there. And then we'll go down to there. And then we'll see if we can... Yeah, like that. Is that right? Yeah, that's right, isn't it? Sort of. No, it's over. It's not following the overlap. It's probably because I'm at the wrong angle. Let's try it at a different angle. Right, that looks like it's overlapping. I don't know why. Oh, I know why. Because that's too far over compared to the side, that's why. So what I need to do is, whatever that distance is there, I need to come over a bit. Right. So we want to start from there, yeah. So it'll have to go lower, that's okay. So that's that, so we'll measure that. What we got? 21. So we'll then do 21 down. And we'll go from there to there. And we've got a pink. Right, I'm liking that so far. So I'll do the same again. 21. And we'll put another one there to there. And I'll push this through. Okay. So that's going to be our cover. Our bottom plate. Let's have a look. That looks more like something you'd buy straight away. Yeah, so we've got enough room for the nuts. And I'm thinking now, possibly this needs to go up a bit. Don't know why. Do we need it like that? Yeah, that'd be nice. If it was up compared to the rest and the cover, then water would have to flow upwards and in instead of just coming down. And it'll hide the top of the gland hex off the gland. I should really design a compression gland to go in there, really, just to show it. So if we do that, we'll have to bring the whole thing up. Let's do that now. So we're going to bring that up. I think this is 5 mil. 3 mil. So if we can go up by 3 mil, it would be nice. And then we want the whole thing here up by 3 mil. Is that even possible? Possibly. Yeah. Let's try it. Oh, we need to extend the back though. Down again. Yeah, so if we move the whole thing up by 3 mil. We can try that. Right, let's just try it. See what happens. So we're going to shift the whole thing up by 3 mil. And that brings us our hole centres right. But then we're going to move the back, the bottom and the back down by, because we're going to have the cover fit over it. So we want to copy this here, yeah. So we want to bring that back down. And also we could have that stepped as well. All these layers of things will aid to the water not being able to get to us. So if I bring that up by 3 mil, I can get rid of that line now. We seem to have an extra surface there, we got rid of it, that's good. Okay, so it's looking a bit more uniform. And what would be nice as well if we had some kind of, we've got to be careful, if that was raised slightly, rather than have a flat surface, flat on flat. Doesn't matter, yeah, probably will, because you could silicon that and that will help with the fixings, help with the strength. So we've got this overlap. I keep filling this in, don't I? I keep filling this in, I can't help myself. Still a few bits there, you'd have to go around the whole thing really. Let's just do a little bit more and keep thinking. Right, so we've got that. Right, what have we got? That still. So what we've done then. Right, so we've got all that. I'll leave the few bits. Right, so we've got a... that doesn't look... Yeah, it's centered now, does it? So we need to move the whole thing up there by 3 mil. Oh no, it's not 3 mil. We need to divide it by 2, so 1.5 mil. 1.5 mil. And if we do that, we're going to have to do the PCB. So top cover. PCB is going to have to go up by 1.5 mil. And the cover is going to have to go up by 1.5 mil. And the button up by 1.5 mil. Right, so we're okay. We're evenly spaced, and we're okay. That's good. Now we've got to be able to get the connector in there. I think I should have enough room. Right, so we're okay. We've got fixings as well. Oh, that's the PCB fixings. Fine. Okay. Right, so we've got that. Yeah. I've got a little bit of a... I suppose these should be rounded, really. Let's have a look what we got here. Let's go... I don't know if you can do 1 mil rounded. So what we'll do, we'll just do a curve from there to there. I'm not sure it'll let us. No, it's not going to let us. I'll try it. No, it's too small. We'll leave that then. We could do it with a circle. We'll leave it. It's not that much of a deal. Right, so we've got a certain amount of clearance either side. We've got a rounded bit at the bottom. We need a rounded enclosure to fit over the top. So we'll start with the the lid, the cover. So we'll start with something we want these bits here. For now, yeah, so we'll copy that, paste it in place. It's going to be too big, so we need it a bit wider. Can we do wider? Yeah, 0.25 of a mil clearance should be enough. So yeah, there's enough clearance on it. We need again the same thickness. I've got to decide on the thickness. I think, did we say it was 3 mil? Let's just find out. 3 mil, right, okay, do we need 3 mil? Don't know, so we're going to go again. Going to grab the new bit. And we're going to go again. Now let's try 3 mil. Oh, it's got to go over the side, so our side walls have got to be pulled in on us. We'll sort that out in a minute. So the cover, what size cover? 2.5. Let's say 3 mil. Let's make it substantial. So there's our 3 mil. Okay, so we could then extrude that all the way up in that shape, but it needs to overlap the sides. So what I should have done is made that come all the way over here, really. Or we bring the sides in. We can bring the sides in a bit. see what we've got here size wise. 90. Yeah, so we've got a bit of space. So how are we going to do this? So it needs to come round here. It's not going to slide over, it's just going to fit flush. So I either bring the sides in a bit. I could bring those in 3mm and then make that flush. Let's try that. And our hole centres won't be right, but we'll try it. So let's bring these in 3mm. Put this over 3mm. And bring this back 3mm. And this one back by 3mm. Right. So we've got that, so the cover will be flush. We don't need that anymore, if that's the same. And we don't need that. Okay, so we've still got everything, but the hole centres are not flush, so we need to bring them over by 1.5mm. Or is it 3mm? Is it 3mm? 3mm. 3mm. I think it's 3mm. Okay, and then we'll have to bring the tops over by 3mm. Right, so we've got them sort of right, yeah. Okay. Right, so we've got that bit done. Gonna have to sort something with the corners at the top. Although I'm not sure. Why can we see stuff in there? Is there a gap? No, it's just the internals. Right. So we've got our excuse me, we've got our piece here. It needs to sit over it, so we need to come down by 3mm. Have we still got? Oh, we still got. Yeah, there's our in a bit. So we need to grab all of this. All of this structure here. Right, so we're going to drop that down by 3mm. Right, and we're going to extend it to the back. To the back face, so it covers everything up. So we do that by just going 6mm. 6mm to there. Right, and we go around the other side and do the same again. Oops. 6mm and 6mm and join that up. And we've got a solid, that's good. Okay. Now we do need to come back off the back. Not a lot, just enough. We don't want it touching the back. We need to allow the water to drip down it, so we need to come forward. So if I get the back I need to allow a certain clearance, not a lot, 0.25, just a tiny bit of clearance. .25 of a millimetre. Right, so we've got that now. So we need to bring the whole thing up to the top, which is not easy. We'll bring it up and we'll adjust it in a minute. Right, here we go. So we're gonna bring that all the way up to the top. I'll go a bit higher. Let's colour it. Let's colour it all in. It's looking okay. It's looking good. Okay, so I've just tidied that bit up. We've got a slight gap. Alright, okay. We've got an extra line we don't want, so get rid of the extra line. Getting roasted by the blower heater. Put the central heating on, but it takes a while, so I put the little electric blower heater on. Turned it off now. Right, so what have we got now? Also got an open top, that's okay. Still got some colours to do. Right, and we've got to have it hook over there, but then push the lid on, and it's got to be screwed from a point. Now, probably 2 points from there and there. It'd be nice if it was only 1 point. Yeah, I think 1 point will be enough. We don't want 2 screws. And plus, the thing it screws into won't be in the way if we put it in the middle of the gland cables. So yeah, we'll have one in the middle. So we've got our drain holes. Drainage. We've got our gap round the side. Now if you wanted to, you could fit a rubber seal around here, but the idea is the water just drips around the side of it. Okay, and I'm just looking at this. We'll sort that out in a bit. I might have a stud on it just to raise it very slightly from the back. I've got to be careful though, because if we do that, we won't have a way of printing it. So I might leave that. Anyway, let's see what we can do with the top now. So we know we want to clip it over the top here. So we could do that by putting a wire across. To there. So it needs to go up a bit away from it, so let's go up 0.25 of a mil and fill that in across there. Okay, so we've got our joint line, but we also need to be able to got an extra line there, I see. Okay, that's good so far. So I'm just thinking, if we have it lip over here, the only thing stopping this coming this way is the back, the thing it's mounted to. So I might need something here on the base, some support structure here. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Right, so we need to bring that up. It needs to have some clearance this way. So it needs to have a 0.25 clearance. So we've got our 0.25 clearance to there. We need to 0.25 there. Need to also, it can be joined up with the side. Why is that? Oh, I brought it forward. Have I brought it forward? Oh, yeah, I know what I did. So we've got to bring that one over in 0.25 to line it up. Yeah, and now we can draw the bottom and the side. Well, that's not right, is it? What's going on there? Why is that? Oh. What's different? Oh. That needs to come this way, that line does. Get rid of that one. Bring that line over by 0.25. Hold on a second. Right, so yeah, so we've moved that forward. So let's bring that over there and up to there. We need some more clearance at the top. It's no good being flush, so we need to bring that one up 0.25. Yeah, that's it. So we bring that up to there. And we can get rid of the lines now, surely. Yeah. So if we just bring that over to the other side. So we'll have a point there. And it comes off this one. Why isn't it not locking in? Oh, it is, but it's just been playing silly buggers. Right, so we've got to go over here now to there and down to there. Right, so we've got our thing. Right, so we've got that, that's good. So we might have to have some kind of a lip here to stop it pushing past. Yeah. If I go 0.25 and 0.25, that's our the other bit. I should be able to get rid of these two now. So we've got to trace the internal bits. Doing okay. Right, so yeah, but it needs a little bit of a something that will clip over. Or does it? Let's have a look. So yeah, we're too high at the minute. We need a 3mm thickness. So I want to go 3mm up. So we can bring this down by there. Now we can bring, that's already part of that, so we need to join that up with this. It gives us a top cover. And we don't need these now. Oh, got a bit of a problem there. Undo that. What are we missing? Oh, don't know what we're missing there. Oh, that line was part of... Strange, isn't it? Oh, because that's separate. So we need that, but we need it ergonomic. Slanted. So let's put this one on. We don't actually want that bit, so get rid of that bit a minute till we're finished. Right. Right, so that's the back wall. The inside bit. So we do need some, yeah. So do we come down a little bit? Or do we just hook it on? I think we can just hook it on. So what we need now is the inner bit, the inner radius here on this. Right, so if I duplicate that, down 3mm, and we need to get rid of probably that. Can't get rid of that because it gets rid of it, that's fine. Right, okay. So we want some surface now. I think we'll just provide that to that. That's it. And we can get rid of, can we get rid of that line? Not sure. Anything else we can get rid of? Let's have a look. A few. Now these lines, well, let's get rid of them lines. Why? Don't know why. Let's try again. Now it will. Now it has, but then it's changed the colour. Oh, we've lost. Did we lost our surface? Oh, we haven't put a surface on, that's why. Let's put a surface on it. So if I just go like that, and we can lose these lines then. It's not the right shape, so we now have to rely on... Should I be able to get rid of these now, maybe? Yeah. So we're able to get rid of those extra bits. And we've got something strange going on the lid. We've got these gaps. Now these were water gaps, weren't they? That rests on there, so it holds it on, and these are just water gaps. And I've got some clearance. I seem to have a surface in there now. Why have we got a surface? I seem to have a double surface here. I don't know why we got that. Can I get rid of them? Yeah, maybe. Huh? That's weird, isn't it? Look at that. How can it be? Some strange goings on here. Alright, let's just intercept the faces with the model. Oh, what's happened? Intercept the faces with the model. Took a time. Right now, smooth. So we've got some extra stuff going on here. I don't know what's going on there, I'm sure. Glitchy stuff. I don't get it, but anyway. So at the back it looks black, and then at the front it looks, it's not black. Oh, don't get it. Oh, there's a no solid bit to it. That's why. Right, it's hollow that way. Yeah, hollow. Right, so we're gonna have to do some repairing here. We'll take the backs off. Don't quite know what happened there, but anyway. So we should have, yeah, a clear back. We've got the same thing going on in here as well. Right, so we need to take all these off. Cut them off. Come out, paste in place. Cut them off and go back in. Paste in place. Now we can push them through. Is it 3 mil? I don't know if it's 3. Is it 3 mil? Yeah, it's 3 mil. Right. Now we're spending time on the back bit, which we've already thought we'd finished. We've got some whites in there. Shouldn't really have them. Don't know why we've got that one. Let's just get rid of it. Oh, it goes all the way through then. No, we don't want that. Ah, so we've got no surface, that's why. Yeah, we had no surface. So we need to bring the whole thing forward a bit. Or make it part of the surface. Yeah, make it part of the surface. So now if we do an undo erase, it's going to put it back. Redo erase. So, oh, we've lost the back. That's fine. So it wasn't what we thought. It's just the inside of the back. We've got 0 thickness. Well, that's no good to us, 0 thickness. So we need to Copy them. Gets complicated. We need a bit of thickness. Oh, it's on the surface, isn't it? So we don't need the surface then. Let's have a look at it in 3D. Need to make sure there's some thickness between the bottom of the hole. Yeah, there is. That's fine. So we just got to colour the hole in. Just colour the hole. That's it, it's done it all. It seems to have different surfaces. Don't know why. Probably because I joined the two together. Anyway. Right, so that one's done. Okay. So come out of that. Save it. So the top bit we need to sort out now. It needs to have a bit of an angle on it, I think. Stop the... Stop rainwater pooling. So how do we do that? Let's colour the thing right first. Let's have a look at the design. Yes, we've got some thickness around it. So we need to grab all the fronts. So if I grab this from there and move it down, I was trying to step it like that. Okay, so how do we do it? Grab less, so if we grab less and move that down. It's nice. Should we bring it down 6mm, see what it looks like? I've got some weirdness going on. It's moved both down, we can sort that weirdness. Alright, so we need to... We haven't got direct... We've got a bevel at the front. So we need to probably grab these here and just bring them down, say 3mm. What have we got now? No, that didn't work out for us. We didn't select enough of it for some reason. We seem to have two lots going on here. So we'll undo that one as well. That's probably because we didn't have hold of it. So if we grab... Tell you what we need to do, probably just grab them and then rotate them down. We can cheat a bit maybe, if it'll let us. And then we can say an angle. Oh, it's reducing the angle and making it bigger, that's the only problem. Can we just press up? No, we can't alter that. So, how do we maintain our angle? We need to stretch it out as well. I know. We'll put a line across the front. Of 6mm. So is 6mm enough? Let's go more than 6mm. Let's go... Let's go 10mm. Excuse me. 10mm. Gone groggy. That's better. Right. So if we bring it down to there, rotate it down to this, then we can pull it out. And I want to get it onto this level with this. How do we do that? Right. I know what we need to do. We need to grab it by that. From there to there. And bring that down to... It won't snap to it because it's bringing it in. Well, let's just say we brought it down 6 mil. With our angles out, so what's the angle? It's about there, so let's say 15 degrees. Right, 15 degrees. Right, so we need to come out. It's brought the whole thing out. So we need to bring it out. So we need to drag this whole thing over now.
This is Golf Bravo 4 Whiskey Sierra Delta GB4WSD Total Station in Wolverhampton South District. Calling CQ. Hello CQ. CQ on 70. CQ 77. Golf Bravo 4 Whiskey Sierra Delta. CQ and bye for a call.
It's not good, is it? Well, let me snap to it. So what I've got to do is find the middle. Draw a line out. Then draw a line up. That's not easy. Right, is that? No, that's nothing like. Oh, that's something like. Right, so we've got that there. So we've got to bring that out to there. So if we can. Right, so we've got to drag that to there. Where is it? Where's the middle? There it is, so I've got to drag that to there.
Hello CQ, CQ 70, CQ 77. This is Golf Bravo 4 Whiskey Sierra Delta.
Right, that's as good as it gets.
Golf Bravo 4 Whiskey Sierra Delta. CQ on 70 and bye for a call.
Now we've got to do the same to this one. Oh, that is the same one. So we've got to grab that, and this, and the front by. Oh, we've got to rotate it from the middle to there, down by 15 degrees, and then we've got to come out a bit with it. We've got some weird anomaly there, but we'll sort that out in a bit. I don't know what we've got there. Can we get rid of that? No, we'll pretend that's an anomaly. So we're okay, but it needs to come out. by whatever the amount was. So we need, so the thickness is right there. We need to go vertical, don't we? Whatever vertical is. Right, so we need to grab it by there. And it needs to match this sort of. It's not going to be easy, is it? Unless I can't press vertical, can I? No. Right, so we're going to have a construction line. So we're going to have to come off it again. Out like that. So we've got a line that's coming out. So we need to track it. And we need a one that goes down. That's not down.
This is Golf Bravo 4 Whiskey Sierra Delta. GB4WSD, Golf Bravo 4 Whiskey Sierra Delta, CQ and bye for a call.
Right, so we've got the intersection. And from there we need a 3mm wall. So that we need to grab all this and move it to there. Right, and that should be now wall thickness. Yeah, it looks good. Apart from all the errors. All the error codes. Right, so we've got that. We've got an equal distance. We've got a slant on it. We've got an extra bit of something. We've got to sort this out here, which we can sort out in a minute. And we've got a strangeness happening here. Some kind of glitch. So we'll ignore that glitch for a while. It might go away. We've got an extra line here. Right, so does it look square? Yes, it does. Okay, so we're alright. Let's just sort this out though. So I've got to move. First we've got to move this. I need to move that out on a trajectory so it's lined up with the back of this. Which we can't see. Right, well, I see what it's done. It's moved everything. I can't line it up. Why not? I know why. So we want an extra, a line going up, or a measurement from here straight up like that, and that'll allow us to bring that to there. It's not though. Well, it won't snap to it. Why not? Right, won't let us snap to it. Don't know why. Should be snapping to it. Right, let's try another. Let's try a line from there across to there. Oh, it's gone up. Right, let's try that. Yeah, that might have done it. Okay. Now there's the internal bit. So that needs to be done as well. Is it clever enough to know what we're trying to do? Parallel to edge. Try that. No, that's not parallel, is it? It's not parallel to the edge, so it's more of a guess. Right, that's close enough, I suppose. Right, so we've got to have an angle now on the front of this to compensate for that, and we've still got this strange thing here. Right, so why have we got the strangeness going on there? We've lost our surface. So if we've lost our surface, we need to bring our surface back. Well, that one's doing nothing there. Oh, I see. We've got something in there. Okay. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so we've got rid of that. So we've got a bit of weirdness going on here. So we need to fill it in. Alright, hold on a second. Just finishing this little bit. Okay, so I need to grab that and move it. No, we don't want to move that. We want to move. It's very strange goings on here. So if I delete it. Right, so we're parallel at least. So if I put a line down there, it's just SketchUp doing its weird stuff. It's obviously transparent, and it's not filling it in. So why is the other side okay and this not? Yeah, it's not doing anything. Yeah, it's weird. Right, I'll tell you what, we'll look at it from the inside. Let's do save. Right, so we'll go into this. We'll have to make it into a component. Hold on, so we want to take that off. That off. Oh, let's make this a component. Let's have a look what's going on with it. So we've got this weird thing happening here. We've got... what have we got? We just got a weird thing going on. Can we just do that? Yeah. So that's what it wanted, and... Oh, it's gone. We've got some extra lines here for some reason. And we still haven't got a way of fastening it. We've got to make the way of fastening it yet. Right, so we're getting close. And it's tempting to do the same down here. Anyway, so we've got sharp edges, we're going to have to bevel them. We can sort that out. Let's have a look in X-ray mode. Just put the back, the top and the PCB. So this is what we've got. Okay, so what we've got so far. Right, that's a good way to end it for today. Till later on. We've got a bit sticking out there, so we need to sort that out. So we're going to have to sort that out. Yeah, we need to sort that out. I'll step it over, we'll do that next time. Right, do that this afternoon. So we'll leave it at that for now. And catch you this afternoon. So that's been weatherproof enclosure for UPAS KP V2, 15th in the series. Okay, catch you in a bit. Bye for now.
This constitutes all available data. That information is not available.
State your program requirements. They will be implemented when capacity is available.